Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we are delving into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 8th of January, 2025, our system has ranked SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.45. Let's explore the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 16.96% since we initially designated SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate 57 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.3% each day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper end of a narrow and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $288.78 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of over 15% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between just over 10% and nearly 16%. In a broader context, our 12-month analysis projects a change of over 28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between 14% and nearly 29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $328.70 and $369.76. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares includes the headline, SPDR Gold Shares ETF upgraded from hold, accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The SPDR Gold Shares ETF price fell by nearly 0.2% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, declining from $288.14 to $287.57. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.12%, with a day low of $285.91 and a day high of $289.11. The price has shown some volatility during this period, with a gain of 2.71% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk could rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 16 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $289.11, while the lowest price was $208.36. Currently, the price sits at 0.53%, or $1.54, below the 52-week high of $289.11, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Gold's momentum shows no signs of slowing as it recently hit record highs, trading above $3,130 per ounce. Analysts are noting the significant impact of economic indicators, such as the ISM manufacturing PMI dropped to 49, and a slowing labor market, which bolster gold's appeal as a safe haven. Investors are also increasingly drawn to gold mining stocks as a potential avenue for short-term gains tied to gold's rising price, as highlighted by industry experts on platforms like Fast Money. Interestingly, recent forecasts suggest that gold prices could soar even higher, with predictions reaching up to $3,500 an ounce, driven by heightened demand from central banks and individual investors. This bullish outlook is reinforced by a growing risk of economic instability, prompting many to secure their investments in gold, which is perceived as a reliable alternative. However, caution is warranted as recent price movements have shown signs of profit-taking, with concerns about a bearish reversal at key resistance levels. Should support levels fail to hold, we might see a temporary pullback in prices. In the longer term, the persistent interest in gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty indicates a favorable trajectory for GLD, positioning it as a significant player in this evolving market landscape. Analysts have given SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book value as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the ETF a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $282.24 and $273.25. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, with a current decline of nearly 0.1%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 57 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $275.13. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the fund experienced a movement of $3.20, which is equivalent to 1.12% between its high and low points. In the past week, the ETF has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 0.792%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the exchange-traded fund might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at $288.14. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $275.13. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $280.57, representing a decrease of 2.44%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, significantly heightening the risk. Additionally, there was a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, indicate that this may be a good time to consider buying. There is a fair chance for SPDR Gold Shares ETF to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we expect SPDR Gold Shares to open lower by 4 cents, starting at $287.53. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.